Beautiful California is known to host some of America's best-known medical brands. With that, we travel to CoolTouch, a leading US-based developer and manufacturer of innovative, advanced laser products for medical professionals. Best Vein Care's editor-in-chief, Victor Sergato, visits CoolTouch president Nina Davis to discuss the importance of customer relationships, the attributes behind their company mission, and the success of their growing brand. What I'd like to do is just discuss basically your difference and your positioning in the market and how your product adds so much value in the industry.
Well, thank you for giving us an opportunity to talk about CoolTouch today. I had the pleasure of helping to form the high road, innovative technology and quality-focused company culture that allows us to focus on the needs of the customer rather than the needs of Wall Street. The mission of CoolTouch is to provide physicians with the best tool set and support to achieve their financial and clinical goals.
You do have such a great quality control process. Is that because of something that you set into the business right off the bat?
When you make medical devices in the United States, you're initially somewhat governed by the Food and Drug Administration, and they mandate a certain type of quality system. But if you want to sell to a bigger audience, the worldwide market, you also have to incorporate an ISO type quality system. And for us, it's ISO 13485. When we formed the company in 1994, we actually built it into the culture of the company.
Is that what you would feel the difference would be?
Building and maintaining close and unique customer relationships is something that we feel very strongly about, and it starts from the very moment that they contact us for information. And should they decide on our technology, it continues through the installation, clinical training, in-service, and subsequently the customer service, and through the relationship.
What do you attribute your success to? I mean, you're able to grow with such a competitive market, and you're able to grow in different regions and globally as well.
Because we've put a lot of emphasis on close personal relationships with physicians and meeting their needs, that has gained us an ever-growing reputation within the phlebology and the aesthetic world. And when a physician is truly happy with the company, the service that they've received, and the technology, they tell their friends and associates, and it becomes a very powerful word-of-mouth advertising for the company.
As a physician buying your product, what can they expect?
CoolTouch was formed and has always had a focus on engineering and product development. CEO Dave Hennings is an optical engineer out of Rochester. He's the strategic leader of our engineering efforts. He works with the doctors, attends conferences, and goes out to try to find out exactly what the needs of the physicians are and what the best technology solution, medical solution, would be for them. And he brings that information back to our group of engineers who have a combined experience total of 130 years. They take that and develop different various prototypes electrically, mechanically, physically. And then we take those prototypes to physicians. We let them tell us what works and what doesn't work, and we improve it to the point of manufacturability, and then we offer it to customers at a fair price.
Where do you see the value add within CoolTouch?
Well, first and foremost, I believe that CoolTouch offers high value with reasonable per procedure cost. We also have a commitment to innovative technology offerings for physicians, excellent customer service with a personal touch, world-class clinical training to ensure physician success and patient satisfaction. Finally, supporting the phlebology community, its societies, and its education. We have a lot of clinical initiatives going right now designed to expand the phlebobologist practice. I can't at this point speak to them, but I think it will be very exciting for physicians, and it is being guided and being done, the work being done by physicians. We feel that being on the cutting edge of new cures and technology will be a value proposition for them.
Thank you so much for meeting with us.
Thank you, Victor.